Hi guys and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how to cash out your Bitcoin on Cash App. So let's get started. To begin the process of cashing out your Bitcoin on Cash App, start by launching the app on your phone. Once you're in, head over to your Bitcoin wallet. You can get there by tapping the icon on the lower left corner, then selecting the Bitcoin section found beneath the Save and Invest category. Inside the Bitcoin tab, you'll find options to buy, sell, or swap your cryptocurrency. Go ahead and choose the sell option. From there, you'll be asked to go through a few quick steps. At this stage, you'll see a summary that includes details like how much Bitcoin you want to sell, where the funds are going, which will be your Cash App balance, the current exchange rate, the BTC symbol, and the total amount you'll receive. Any applicable fees will also be displayed here. After reviewing all the info, tap Confirm to proceed with the sale. Once it's done, the amount in USD will show up in your Cash App balance. And that's pretty much it. This is by far one of the simplest ways to turn your Bitcoin into cash directly through Cash App. And that's it, you are done.